My name is Aurelio Almazan, and I'm a sergeant with the Okeechobee City Police Department. So I have a side business, and I do a little bit of lawn maintenance, and it was time for a new mower. The mower that I had at the time was kind of ran down. I have a big job, so I come here all the time to get my stuff maintained. So I just figured, hey, come to Gilbert Outdoors and pick up a new mower. So in my side business, Grass Gorilla, we do mowing, brushery, mulch, anything from A to Z pretty much. A family member of mine actually purchased some. He picked them up from here from Gilbert Outdoors, so I decided to come here as well. I purchased a Hustler Super Z 60-inch, and it works great. The mower that I had before is nothing compared to this. My experience at Gilbert's is always great, man. I come here all the time. The guys are always eager to help me out. If I have any questions, man, they're always helpful. And a bunch of friendly guys here. I'm Aurelio and I buy from Gilbert.
Gilbert Outdoors, where we speak y'all.